I'm Annie and I've come to Bellevue to get my hands done. I'm going to have some fat transfer put on my hands because I've had a facelift. So my face is looking really good, courtesy of Bellevue, but my hands don't match my face. Having some fat transfer will sort of just make them look a bit softer. I'm not sure the veins will go completely, but I think there's a chance that they'll just look a bit more youthful, as they still look, a decade older than this part. If I'm, I don't know, out with people, I think sometimes I pull it down just to sort of hide my hands. So maybe that might be really nice to just stop doing things like that. I mean, they are not going to turn into sort of 20-year-old baby hands, but just if they're softened, then maybe I'll sort of soften my own approach to them being on display. So yeah, that would be really nice, I think.
If you see that fullness there, and then emptiness there,
Good God.
If you see how is that where the veins are, if you see the vein here, you can't see the vein there. There is a swelling, and if you see the knuckles, you see how the knuckles look. How the fingers,
absolutely
how the fingers changed, and how the fingers are narrowly less.
I'm absolutely blown away with the result. It's incredible. I really didn't expect it. My expectations were they would look a little bit better, but not. And that's funny enough, I can't see it so much now because they're both like it, but it is just, I honestly, I almost felt quite emotional, just blown away, really. I know I look really silly. Apparently I'm going to have to spend quite a lot of my time like this. Thank God I don't have to use a computer tomorrow. The team could have made it better. And the actual transfer part, that doesn't hurt at all. So I think for the majority of people, it would be quite straightforward.